Hello world, this is my final project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. I've built a web application called MyShare, designed to simplify managing shared expenses within groups, or what I call funds in the app. Whether it's a family vacation, a friend's road trip, or even a business retreat. MyShare is built using Python with the Django framework and JavaScript for the front end with a mobile responsive design implemented using Bootstrap. It allows users to record payments, split expenses, and collaboratively track who owes whom and how much. So first, you can see the landing page and an introduction to the application. I'll sign up and create an account. Let's start by creating a new fund. I'll give it a name like Trip to Paris. I can also add an image to customize the font and even a brief description. Now, I'll add members by searching for their usernames. Or maybe adding new members without an account on the application. I'll set the currency and click Create. Once the fund is set up, I can log a new payment by clicking this button. I'll enter the total amount, describe what was paid for, and select who made the payment. Then I'll choose the participants. For example, Bob didn't eat that night. And here I can select how to split the expenses evenly, by percentage, or custom. I can also add a short description of Charlie's share. All payments appear in the payment history section. Clicking on any payment shows the details, including who paid and each participant's share. The settlements section shows who owes whom and how much. It uses two algorithms, simple and minimized, which I can switch between. I can read more about their differences if I need to. MyShare also provides a dynamic chart to visualize all the payments. I can see trends and spending patterns over time, which helps me understand how the money is being spent. Maybe I needed to add someone new to our fund. I can achieve that in fund settings. At last, I can generate a detailed PDF report of the fund by clicking the Export button, which contains all the fund details, payment history, and settlements. Back to the home page, I can even see how much is my net balance in each fund. The application is also fully responsive. You can see how it adjusts to different screen sizes. This project goes beyond a typical expense tracker. Its complexity lies in the splitting logic, settlement algorithms, handling of registered and abstract users, the PDF export feature, and more. And that's it. Thanks for watching.